Hey there! Welcome to Introduction to Mushrooms. If you've ever wondered what mushrooms really are, or why they're suddenly popping up in health trends and gourmet kitchens, you're in the right place. Let's dig in. First up, what are mushrooms anyway? Most people think of mushrooms as just vegetables. Here's the twist. They're fungi. Unlike plants, mushrooms don't make their food from sunlight. They feed on organic matter, recycling nutrients in nature. Picture a classic mushroom, cap on top, gills underneath, stalk holding it up. But the real magic is underground, in the mycelium. A vast, hidden network, kind of like nature's internet, connecting plants and trees. Now let's talk about why mushrooms are a superstar in your kitchen and medicine cabinet. Low in calories, protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals, vitamin D, B vitamins, selenium, potassium. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from everyday stress. Shiitake reishi lion's mane. These have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Research shows they may boost your immune system, support brain health, and help fight inflammation. So mushrooms aren't just tasty. They're a real health powerhouse. But have you ever wondered where all these mushrooms come from? Mushroom cultivation is a global phenomenon. Small family farms in rural Asia, high-tech indoor facilities in Europe and North America. People everywhere are growing mushrooms. Asia leads the world in mushroom production, especially China, which grows more than half of all edible mushrooms. You'll also find bustling mushroom farms in Africa, Europe, and right in urban neighborhoods, sometimes even in recycled shipping containers. Oyster mushrooms. Button mushrooms, shiitake, you name it, there's a farm for it. Harvesting mushrooms is often done by hand, and it's a source of income for millions of people worldwide. Plus, mushrooms can be grown on agricultural waste, making them a sustainable choice for food production. So, whether you're looking for a new ingredient, a natural remedy, or even a business idea, mushrooms have something to offer. They truly are nature's gift for health, food, and income. Mushrooms, nature's gift for health, food, and income. If you're curious to learn more, check out Urban Mushroom Hub Sao Global Limited. Learn more with Urban Mushroom Hub and Sao Global Limited. There's a whole world of mushrooms waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this intro to mushrooms. See you next time.